Thought I'd do a video on where to look for flowers on different Garcinia trees, since we have so many different varieties that are now fruiting and flowering kind of close by each other. Here's Garcinia intermedia. This produced fruit last year, and I just checked it, and it's just starting to form flowers. Does it like the achacha at the nodes on the branches? The Imbe does it like that. There they are, right there. Just starting to grow. They'll get longer. And probably a lot more will start forming now that that started. So then I haven't checked everything because I just haven't. But over here we have the flowering, very small achacha tree. It's the first time I've noticed it flowering. It's got little flowers at the nodes again. Four petals. Let's see if I can get a better shot here. Anyway, there's that, and then over here not sure what that is. Garcinia. That's a intermedia also. But this is a Brasíliensis. This produced fruit that I found last year. I wouldn't plant these again, but I guess I'm glad I have them. Intermedia or Brasíliensis. And anyway, it does it just like the Imbe, the Brasíliensis. I mean, this is the Brasíliensis, but they get longer, just like the achacha. They start out at the nodes again. The Cha-Cha, the Imbe, the Intermedia. Do it like that. And then this is a, not really sure what this is. I thought it was Hombromiana. It flowers at the tips of the side branches. But the flowers on here are red and pink, which Button Mangosteen, maybe. I'll know when it opens. Looks like it has 4 or 5. I can't really tell. Petals, but it's at the end of the little side branches. And it's obviously produced fruit before because there's seedlings growing under the tree, so I'm curious what it is. This pink and red flower. I keep coming out here to check it to see if it's opened, and it hasn't. It'd be nice if it was a Button Mangosteen. It'd be very welcome, but I've noticed that because I started collecting Garcinias like 9 years ago, I guess, and almost all of them turned out to be something other than what I was sold. And so I started getting seeds from people I trusted the source and growing that way. But I haven't been disappointed. With anything, except for the tiny size fruit of Brasíliensis and the tiny size fruit of Intermedia are kind of shocking, but I guess there's a superior Intermedia or Acuminata. And here's the Imbe, and it does, we've been getting Imbe fruit for about 3 years. This is the 3rd year, but we have a tree in back that produces fruit, and this one looks like it has flowered before because it's got so many buds on it. Not as many as the one in the back. They just get loaded with, like a Jaboticaba, basically loaded with flowers. This tree's about 6 feet tall or so. There's another one over there that I haven't even checked to see if it's flowering. But they have pointed leaves and round leaves, and I can't really tell a difference between the ones that produce fruit and the ones that don't, except one doesn't and others do, or one does. Anyway, here's a Garcinia Hombromiana, which the Seashore Mangosteen, and has beautiful flowers. This is nothing like the pink flower of that other one, except it does it at the tip of the branches, just like that other one, the pink one. So it's a beautiful tree, and pretty flowers too. I'm excited to see if it produces fruit. I have so anyway, that's my flowers on different Garcinias that we have here at Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm.